Hello people, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to make Kenyan Fufu, and as you can see we've already peeled our cassava. We now want to use the method of we first blend the raw cassava, then we cook the puree. Is it the puree? The already blended cassava. We are not going to first cook the cassava then we pound it. We are going to blend the cassava when it's raw, then we cook the already blended cassava. We are going to cook this with some jute leaves and some other traditional leaves. We call them kunde in Kenyan language. I don't know how you call it in your language. Let me know what you call it in where you live. In Kenya we call it kunde. As you can see, we are now blending our cassava using our commercial blender, because the normal blenders it's hard to blend. So we are now done with blending our first batch. We are going to do it to the second batch, and then we put in our sufuria or in our cooking pot. Then we place it on the fire and cook it. We're just going to cook the normal way, just stir without stopping, because if you stop it's going to have lumps, and we don't need those lumps in our fufu. We are also boiling our meat. As you can see, as we said earlier, we are going to use minced meat. Our fufu is already on the fire. We have cooked it. Guys, it's not easy to cook this thing. As you can see, we cooked for hours, but at the end of the day, you can see what we had. We tried to make it like the Nigerian fufu, but it's still not easy. But we managed. You can see our sufuria. We cooked it. It was done very well until it was peeling. It didn't stick on the sufuria or on our cooking pot. My Nigerian guys, my friends, let me know how you cook your fufu. I tried your way, it didn't go well. So this is our final product. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share to your friends, and it's a bye for now.